What's up, dear viewers? Today I want us to talk about blocks in AutoCAD. What is a block? A block are a key component of AutoCAD drawing that can group objects into a single named object. There are many reasons to create blocks in AutoCAD, and I will list them. So a block, an example of a block is this one. If you click this one, you can see this is a block. This is another block. It's another block. A block, I want to focus on how to define or create, how to modify, and how to insert blocks in AutoCAD. So as I have defined that blocks are key component of AutoCAD drawing that group objects into a single named object. There are many reasons to create blocks in AutoCAD, including uniformity. For example, blocks ensure that identical copies of objects have a consistent appearance. You can see this is a block which is detailing this hold down to this is a stud wall or foundation layout of a do, and then these are the hold downs for these particular studs, 4 by 4 inches. So you can see the consistency. All the details appear same and consistent. And then efficiency. Block can be inserted, rotated, scaled, moved, copied faster than individual geometric objects. So this is a block. So it can be rotated very easily. Very easily. If I check this one here, you can see. Also, you can insert blocks faster. How do you insert a block? You need to go to insert. You see insert, then you select whichever block you want. So I will insert a block here. So they can also be scaled faster. So I will scale this block, scale about that, reference, and then the new scale. As simple as that, you can be able to scale those blocks. Editing. Editing or redefining a block automatically updates all block references in the drawing. For example, let me change this 8 to 7. If I click here, if I change, for example, these 8 to 7, and then save current changes, you can see all blocks have been changed. All blocks have been changed to 7. So I just need to click it, rechange back to HDU8, hold down, because I think HDU7 does not exist. 8. Okay, then close and then save. All have been updated. The other data. The other advantage is data. So blocks can include data such as number, cost, service dates, and performance value. All right. You can see this is the data of this particular hold down, HDU8 SSTB 2.8. And you can search what is this in foundation layout for timber ADU structures. I think this is also a block. That is also a block. So the other advantages are file size, workflow, collaboration. For example, you can share this file to another person who is currently having another structural drawing for another ado, and you'll still be able to create this type of foundation layout, which you can see is aesthetically proper. So you can quickly do this foundation layout using your blocks. For example, to insert this particular block, I just need to go to insert, insert. Very easily, I can be able to do a foundation layout like this one in AutoCAD. So just need to scale. This drawing is perhaps not to scale. Okay, very easily you can draw something like this using blocks. So how do I create a block? For example, you can see this particular block here. Let me do a text. I will insert text HDU HDU 8, right? Okay. Now the other is SSTB 28, right? I want to create a block. How do I create it? The other text is SSTB 28. So just copy this one or about there. I will go to properties. I will change the text color. Text color to is it blue or green? Green. And this one also style. The style for this one will be Arial. Let me undo that. This is SSTB 28. Let me change this text first. SSTB 28. I want to create such a block. I want to scale this one. I want to scale it such that from there, the reference from here to here goes back to fit there. Okay. Select that. Okay. Now change the layer to green. The content, I'll change it to Arial. I can move this one up. Drag this one. Okay. Drag this one. You can see why it's a block, because it's having different parts, but it need to be grouped as one. Then I will change the layer thickness to that, the color to that. Then I will scale this one again from there, reference from here, there, back to that point. And I can just move it. All right. Then now the last thing is now do that. Then trim this part. Okay, change the color to green. Okay, and this color to green. Now this is a block. This is an example of a block. This is an example of what you're going to use to create a block. Okay, we want to create such a block. So I will go to insert, create block. Name it as HDU, HDU 8 new, right? Then pick specify on screen. I want to select object. Just select like that. Hit enter. Okay, that is the object. You need to select object, and then just you can type any description, and then click OK. So that is a block. Now this time I can just go insert. Now I will search my new block. This one. Then I can insert it anywhere. So you can see how we have created such a block. You can also create this block, and you can see where we are talking about consistency. After creating this particular block, this one here, and saving it, you can see the consistency in that all these particular, or what are they called? If you go to insert, if you not go to express tool, or is it insert? I think this is called revision cloud. So you can see this, they're exactly the same shape, the same size. Okay. This is a foundation layout for a timber ADU, that is accessory dwelling unit. All right. So this is timber. This is of course stud wall or shear wall. These are the details for the studs, the hold downs, the slab, the ground floor slab. You can see the 6x6, and all that. There's a post here with a footing and everything. So that's how you can use blocks to be able to be doing your work like a professional in AutoCAD. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I hope that you are going to share this video, you're going to like, give it a thumb up, because it will help YouTube to promote my videos. Also, if you like and you want to see more videos like this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in another or the next video. Thank you.